Hello everyone and welcome back to Aviation A to Z. Today we will see how you can apply for various job openings, and important thing is that some positions don't require previous year experience. So if you are fresher, then you must apply for this wonderful airline and watch this video till end. So let's get started. But before we start, we want to announce that soon we will provide a platform where you will get all the authentic, official and verified jobs as well as internship updates for all the aviation and aerospace industry related jobs. So please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get quick updates. The first department for Indigo Airline is Aircraft Operations and Customer Service Department. Here first position is for Officer Customer Service RAM Security at Guwahati. Let's see the eligibility criteria. The educational qualification. Candidates must be graduate from recognized board or university as determined by Indigo. Remember this. The candidate must have good communication skills, customer service aptitude and open to work in rotational shift as well as able to work under pressure. If they have previous experience in airport operation, then it's preferred more. The person should not have any visible tattoo marks or body art. The age limit is also from 18 to 27 years. Now, if you are applying for customer service, then you must have good communication and pleasing personality. If you are applying for security, then you must be adaptable to all weather condition. Place of work can be either at terminal or apron, and similarly for ramp. The preferable requirement is not much for customer service. For security, you need basic AFSEC screener and NCC background. For ramp, load and trim license and 12th HSE from science background. The second position is Officer Security for Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The primary responsibility is implementation of security policy and procedures laid down by the company. See, there is not much mentioning about educational qualification, and also fresher can apply here. Remember, we will try to provide details in short, and for further information check out our Instagram post. Link is in description of this video. The third position is Officer Executive, Senior Executive, Security AO and CS for Pune. The responsibility is implementation of security policy of company and manage safe and secure operation in accordance with security program and procedures. The fourth position is Officer Executive RAM for Jaipur. Job responsibility is to configure ETA of flight from OCC or system, take the bay number from apron and convey it to all station on RT. Also make sure that you are at bay 20 minutes with all equipments required. Note down the touchdown and chalks and convey it on RT. Align the ramp properly. Make sure there are enough coaches available for deplaning the passengers and take care that baggage should reach arrival before passenger. Also check cleaning and take the boarding clearance from cabin crew and announce it on RT. Make sure loading is done as per loading instruction report given by load and trim staff. After departure, make sure that all equipments are sent back to transport yard, and there are many other works related to ramp service. Now let us see jobs for Flight Operation Department of Indigo Airlines. The first position is for Assistant Manager or Manager for Route Navigation Services and Projects for Gurugram, Haryana. The candidate must have 4 to 15 years of experience. She must be responsible for ensuring safe and successful completion of non-scheduled passenger and or cargo flights in coordination with all external and internal stakeholders. Also responsible for ensuring overflying permits are secured in a timely manner whenever required for international operation. Unfortunately, Indigo has not mentioned any salary for any opening. The second position is for Assistant Manager Performance Engineer, once again for Gurugram, Haryana. She must identify information like AIP amendment, AIP supplements, circulars and implication of runway performance and many other performance endurance tasks. The experience requirement is minimum 2 and about 8 years is preferred. Finally, we have IT department, that is Information Technology, only position of Head COE, Architecture and AMP Innovation. The position is for Delhi and experience requirement is 15 to 20 years. The responsibility is huge as leader and has a center of excellence. She will be responsible for delivering the strategy around maturity adoption and delivery of concepts and products, blah blah blah, etc. So these were 7 current openings in India's biggest airline. To apply in it, visit official website of Indigo Airlines. Link is provided in description of this video. Also note that Indigo does not charge any money for interview or recruitment. All communication related to offer letters will be sent from official Indigo email IDs. For example, name at goindigo.in. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you think it's worth for you, then hit that like and share it with your friends, and finally subscribe our channel to receive such job updates. And yes, if you are still watching, then here is your bonus. All these openings I didn't got just by sitting idly. I visited various pages and sites to get such information. Daily you also try to give 5 to 10 minutes to just see such vacancies. And soon we will provide platforms so that you receive all aviation job updates, and believe me, it will be really great work from our side so far, so stay tuned. That was all for today. Finally, thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, stay safe.